All right, now welcome to SC Custom Designs. If you haven't been following me, I encourage you to follow the series on making a church stool. So those folks that speak on in our church on a Wednesday or on a Sunday are going to be sitting on this stool that I made. Please follow the entire series. I'll show you how to do everything. At the moment, I'm showing you a tip. So essentially, I'm making a modification to the unit. Because it's my first, stool ever, I found what the problem was is that sitting upon it, if you sit on it just right, the unit, then you're going to be fine. But if you sit halfway on it, it starts to tip one way or the other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some blocks here, decorative blocks here and here. And so what I notice is I need to get these legs down to match this. Okay, and that's exactly what I've done here. I have it perfect. Now, how did I achieve that? Was it magic like this? Wish it was. So here's what I did, and this is the tip of the day here. I hope I can do this without making you sick. So I simply clamped together two of the blocks, and then I got a very inexpensive saw. I'm not sponsored by DeWalt. This is a pull saw. As its name implies, you're going to pull to make the cut. I'm going to attempt to do this, finish it off. And what I've been doing is holding down, pushing down on the blade with one hand and cutting with the other. But I went almost all the way through, so I felt confident to finish the job off like so. And we're almost there. There we go. And now we have each leg the same size. So that's my tip of the day. Hopefully you enjoyed that. This is SC Custom Designs. And to show you what we're going to do, we're going to be putting blocks either here, make them very, very decorative. So you're gonna have to watch the next video to see what it is exactly I'm going to do. So put 4 of them, and the bottom is going to be very, very steady. Now at this point, I put 4 of them kind of like this. All right, so a very interesting design for sure. Not entirely pleased that I had to do it, but there you go. Or I could take it oriented this way. Like so. Or I was originally thinking that I was going to come down like so, cut this block to meet the front of the unit here. So just cut a little bit off and then join it to here. What's the problem that I got going on there? I routed this already. So that means I'm going to have to cut this with the saw and go down. I am more inclined to leave everything be, because these are all at the same height now, and do something like this. But we'll see. You're going to have to watch the next video. Thanks for stopping in. And naturally, what I'm going to do with the blocks is decorate them to route them and make them look like they're supposed to belong there. Thanks for tuning in to SC Custom Designs. Appreciate you watching. We are very excited. We're almost at our 2K. Yay! Just a couple away. And we like to celebrate those little victories. We have lots of things that we do here in the shop. We have 800, 900 videos, I lost track, on whatever the project I'm going through, and tool reviews. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. Do our usual goodbye. Shalom uvracha. Totzin tzajin. Goodbye.